How to add credit card on PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can add credit card to your PayPal account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to add a credit card to your PayPal account, all you have to do is just go ahead and simply launch the PayPal application. Once you launch the PayPal app, make sure that you're signed into your account and you'll basically see this type of interface. So once the application has been loaded up, you want to simply come to the wallet icon, which is at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap on the wallet icon and come to your wallet page, here you'll find the option called cards and you'll find the option called add credit cards. So all you have to do is just tap on the big add credit card option over here, and at the bottom you have two options to add a bank or to add debit or credit card. You can just select the option called debit and credit cards in this case, and then over here the first thing you can do is to simply scan your card using your phone's camera, which is going to be automatically done for you. But if you want to enter those digits manually, in that case you can simply start with your card number. Just go ahead and then make sure to enter your credit card number in this case, and then once you enter your credit card number, what all you have to do is just tap on the option called next, which is at the bottom. So once you tap on the next option, you have to simply enter your expiration date of your card as well as the month. So let me also just go ahead and then enter my month over here. Then once you enter the month, you also have to enter your CVV code. Once you enter your CVV code, all you have to do is just tap on the add card button, which is at the bottom, in order to successfully add your credit or debit card. That's all it takes to add a credit card to PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.